Hello everyone, see you again in Bahasa Education Center YouTube channel. Halo semuanya, sampai jumpa lagi di YouTube channel Bahasa Education Center. Hello guys, let's study English together about 35 daily expression. Belajar tentang 35 ungkapan sehari-hari yang tentunya sering digunakan oleh kita semuanya ya. Part 4 di bagian keempat. Oke guys, are you ready? Repeat after me. Ikuti setelah saya ya. Take a rest. Take a rest, istirahat. Take a nap. Take a nap, tidur siang. Make a date. Make a date, pacaran. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Rumahku, surgaku. Take a dump. Take a dump, buang air besar atau berak. Take a leak. Take a leak, buang air kecil atau kencing. No use. No use. Tiada ada gunanya. Tidak ada gunanya. No use. Up to you. Up to you. Terserah kamu. Don't be fussy. Don't be fussy. Jangan cerewet. Don't daydream. Don't daydream. Jangan melamun. Don't bother. Don't bother. Jangan repot-repot. Don't bother. I'm flat broke. I'm flat broke. Aku bokek atau tidak punya uang. I'm flat broke. Aku bokek nih. I'm sick of you. I'm sick of you. Aku muak denganmu. I was just kidding you. I was just kidding you. Saya cuma bercanda padamu. I'm sick to you. I'm sick to you. Aku rindu kamu. Kalau I'm sick of you, aku muak denganmu. Kalau kalimatnya I'm sick to you, aku rindu kamu. I'm ticklish. I'm ticklish. Ku geli. It's too much. It's too much. Keterlaluan. Just for fun. Just for fun. Hanya senang-senang. Just in case. Just in case. Hanya untuk jaga-jaga. How is it going to be? How is it going to be? Jadi enggak. Jadi enggak. How is it going to be? Shall we go now? Shall we go now? Jadi pergi sekarang enggak? Shall we go now? I was just kidding you. I was just kidding you. Saya cuma bercanda padamu. I made it. I made it. Aku berhasil. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. Aku ada janji nih. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Kesabaranku sudah habis. Kesabaranku sudah habis. Enough is enough. I change my mind. I change my mind. Gak jadi or saya berubah pikiran. Saya berubah pikiran gak jadi. I change my mind. It's my turn. It's my turn. Ini giliranku. Atau gantian dong. It's my turn. Or it's your turn. Giliranmu. I will be right back. I will be right back. Aku akan segera kembali. I will be right back. I tell you what. I tell you what. Aku bilang juga apa? Living after having fun. Living after having fun. Habis manis pah dibuang. Take me just the way I am. Take me just the way I am. Terima aku apa adanya. Walking on the rain. Walking on the rain. Hujan-hujanan. Walking on the rain. Hujan-hujanan. You are a busybody. You are a busybody. Moto aja. Actually, sebenarnya. Feel free. Feel free. Jangan sungkan-sungkan. Feel free. Jangan sungkan. Don't be shy. Jangan malu. Love is blind. Love is blind. Cinta itu buta. Oke guys, thank you for watching this video. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Semoga video ini membantu untuk meningkatkan skill bahasa Inggris kalian. See you di next video. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Goodbye.